वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे ह्या दिसाची सगळ्यांक तुमकां परबी. आनी आयज वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे खेरीत भाशेन हो थीम दवरलेलो आसा तो इकोसिस्टम रेस्टोरेशन. आयज पाकिस्तानान जरी तर हो इव्हेंट होस्ट कंट्री अशी जाता जाल्यार आख्खो संवसारभर एनवायरमेंटा विशीं जी माहिती आनी जागृताय आसा ती करपाक हो आयज एक दीस युनायटेड नेशन्सान वेंचून काडलेलो आसा. तर हेंच मतीन दवरून रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ इकोसिस्टम आमी आमचे कोस्टल इकोसिस्टम रेस्टोर करपाक फकत एक ल्हानशें पावल मारता. आयज रेस्टोरेशन करपाक गरज आसा खेरीत भाशेन जायतें इरोजन जाल्लें आसा, माती उडोवन गेल्ली आसा आनी हें आडावपाक इरोजन आसा तें आडावपाक खेरीत भाशेन झाडांची गरज. आनी हें एक झाड पेंडनस स्क्रूपायन तेजी पाळां जी आहा ती माती सारकी घट धरून दवरता आनी इट एवॉयड्स ऑर इट प्रिवेंट्स द इरोजन. त्या पासत आयज आमची कॉलेजीची भुरगीं सेंट जोसेफास कॉलेजीची भुरगीं तशेंच आमची चिकाली यूथ फार्मर्स क्लब गोंयचो एकवट, गोंयच्या राखणकारांचो एकवट, तेच बरोबर ह्या वेलसांव गांवचो लोक जो आसा तांची पंचायत आसा ती आयज बराबर येयल्या एक ल्हानशें काम फॉर दीस रेस्टोरेशन इकोसिस्टम रेस्टोरेशन. Even very happy today because the Indian Navy has joined us in this initiative. आयज आमी ह्या बीच बेल्टाक जाता तितलीं आमच्यान जाता तितलीं वयर चडप पासून तितलीं झाडां पेंडनसाची स्क्रूपायनाची आमी रोयता आनी हाचे वरवीं ही आमची बीच इरोजन जावपाचें तेचें बंद जावं आनीक ती सांबाळपाक हो एक आमचो
ह्या वर्साची थीम जावन आसा इकोसिस्टम रेस्टोरेशन. आमकां खबर आसा गोंयान एनवायरमेंट इज अंडर अटॅक, नश्ट जाल्लें आसा. जो ऑथॉरिटीज आसा, जो सरकार आसा, आयज डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या नांवान आमचे दोंगर, आमची शेतां, आमची भाटां, रानां, दर्या पासून आमचे गेले, आमची म्हादय पासून विकून काडली, सगळें पिड्ड्यार जाल्लें आसा. एन there is a disturbance in the ecology. आमकां खबर आसा सदांच there has to be a balance between ecology and human beings. That has been disturbed and that will have far reaching consequences आमच्या भुरग्यांचेर फुडले पिळगेचेर. युनायटेड नेशनान सारके गोल सेट केल्ले 2000 that by 2015 आमी रिव्यू करतले. ते गोल्स सगळे मेळूंक ना, तांणी परते न्यू सेट केले आनी गोल्स फॉर सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट, सस्टेनेबल गोल्स टील 2030. आमी पळयलां आमची इंडियेन आनी स्पेशली गोंयान ते चलना. इन द नेम ऑफ द 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट करून इतले नश्ट केले, कितले थाउजंड्स ऑफ झाडां आमची कातरून उडयलीं, आमची शेतां पुरलीं, आमचे सगळे दर्या तांणी आतां बीच लायन सगळे काडून एमपीटीच्या ताब्यान घाला जस्ट फॉर देयर ओन प्रॉफिट. बट एट वॉट कॉस्ट? डिस्ट्रक्शन.
Environment Day. Today I appeal our government that there are several destructive projects which have been planned in Goa which will destroy our ecology. Sagarmala project, coastal economic zones which have been planned in Goa, double railway line project, Nanmar project, coal expansion projects, port expansion projects. All such projects are going to destroy hectares of forest in our small state of Goa. We have a World Heritage Site today which has been destroyed because of coal plants in Goa. So I appeal the Forest and Environment Minister, by putting advertisement on papers is of no use, but we need to do it practically on ground. So these projects which are going to destroy several acres of area and hectares of area will have irreversible damage to our ecology. Now recently our state government has been so insensitive towards forestation that they plan to grow forest cover in compensation from destruction of forest in Goa to Madhya Pradesh. So you can imagine the sensitivity towards forest by our forest department and by our government. So this is completely unjust. And I appeal to the Forest and Environment Minister, Mr. Nilesh Cabral, that time has come for you to protect your mother nature. We have seen in the past several cyclones hitting the state of Goa, and it is only because of the ecology which is still there on the beach, like sand dunes, like trees, are protecting us from this dangerous cyclone.
Today we are here in the beautiful picturesque village of Velsao on the border of Konkanim. And what you can see out here is there is a coastline which has been degraded by the waves due to sand erosion. And we have in our team at GOANEWS our Olenso Simois. You know, he has done last year he had done a pilot project where he grew in. This is the plant which is called school pine. What you can see. So he had grown this along his land as a pilot project, and it was found very beneficial in controlling the erosion of the land. So this year we thought, why not do it on a much larger scale, involving GOANEWS, involving the students of the college of St. Joseph Vaz Kortali, the Chikali Farmers Youth Club, the local panchayats here of the local, then the local villages. Of course, GOANEWS Raponkaran's Equad also lent their help. And we are glad also to know that Indian Navy personnel, out of their own free will, they also came here and joined our team this morning.